Oh, you ride a Yamaha though, but you have a Yamaha. Old come from the Yamaha rider. Yeah, I know. Crazy how it just started immediately. Imagine. That's how you know the people that always like, I don't know how to say this without swearing. Talk crap, but that way people always talk crap and have negative things to say. That's how you know they don't know what they're talking about. It's right here. It's like proof, I guess. You know, experience sucks more, but hey. Again, what would I know? I've just done this bike for like 3 years. What kind of bike is that? ZX14? Oh, come on. Dude, 5 minutes ago, I was in the exact same spot as him. 5 minutes. Coming down here, I pass a nice sport bike going the other way. Now when I turn around, the ZX14 is going that. This bike would not have kept up with it. No. The ZX10 a little bit more. This bike, no. But still, would have been fun. This car's way too slow. If you wanted to do one of these, it would have been fun. Like I said, he very much would have won, but still would have been enjoyable. Would have made for cool content. Kind of tempted to go straight the way I came instead of turning right at the light, because the road, if I turn right at the light, not a huge fan of. Had a couple close calls. But I mean, it's also a small break from like the 2-lane highways. So, I don't know. I gotta decide kind of soon. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight because I'm more likely to see something cool, like a Dodge Viper, like I saw on the way here. I'm more likely to see something like that or a nicer car. I'm just gonna go straight. This truck's gonna pull out. Yep. I looked forward. I hope the firefighter was on camera there, because he even was doing the like, what were you doing, hand gesture to the car in front of me. Looks like an old person driving, which does not surprise me at all. Most of the close calls I've had have been with older people, and almost every single person I've talked to about it has agreed that old people need to retake their driving test after a certain age. Like once you hit like 65 or 70, start retaking your tests every so often, because it's bad. But what I was saying is I could go for a nice big cold drink, and I don't mean like alcohol or anything, just something like a lemonade would be nice. Blue raspberry lemonade. Iced tea. I don't know. I'm just really thirsty. Yep, I'll wait here. I knew it. As much as I want to pull up next to him, I'm not going to. I'll almost want to go around them. That would be illegal. Unfortunately, there's no passing zones for a while that I'm aware of. So I can't just go around them. Give them the old, what you doing? Oh good, I can pass them up here. He could have went already, but this isn't a no turn on red. Oh, he finally realized he can turn right on red. People sitting there, if they saw me like do that, are like, what is he on about? I have no idea. Obviously I can't explain to them it's from a previous incident. I really want to stop at Sheets and get a nice drink. I don't have anywhere to put it besides like in my pants, which I'm gonna pass on. I'm gonna not do that. I'll just grab one at home. Another water. I also already know what's coming. The whole, oh, you had plenty of time. He was so far ahead of you. You're overreacting. You had 7 business days to slow down. He didn't pull out in front of you. Blah, blah, blah. Happens every time. Well, genius. The camera that we use is a fisheye lens, fishbowl lens, whatever you want to call it. So that makes things look way further than they are. So it might look like I had plenty of time. Sure. I didn't in person. That's why the dude at the fire station literally went like this and pointed at me and the car. Because he even agreed with me. He was there. He saw it, not through a camera. So he knows it was close. You, sitting on your couch with your Cheeto dust fingers, weren't there. So it looks different to you. If you tried it for yourself, you would realize that. Only problem is, I should have said that way sooner in the video, because they're not going to watch to this point before they leave the comment. If they do. Like, if I were to make a short out of it, that's all the comments would be. So I'm not even going to bother. But once you do this for so long, you know exactly what's coming before you even post a video. Which is why there's been so many different videos I've just deleted. I've never even posted them. Because I didn't feel like reading the same comment 87 times. So, I just deleted it. Now I want to go to Gecko and get like an ice cream sandwich or something. If they have those. That's the best, like reaching one of those little ice cream coolers that has like the cones and the sandwiches and stuff like that, all the different flavors, little popsicles. Damn, am I pregnant? With all these cravings? That might be. A snake. On that note, this one up. It's kind of, I feel like it was all over the place, but when aren't my videos? There's a Ninja 500 up for auction tomorrow morning. Last I saw it was only at like $550, so not too bad. I'm going to keep an eye on it. So potentially next bike, maybe not, most likely not, but we'll see. If it's too cheap, I can't pass up. Hey, good job. But yeah, thank you for watching this one. Sorry, forgot what I was doing. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad I at least got to bring this bike out. I hope everything recorded well, properly. I would go get ice cream there, but there's a crowd. $5 off. Buy this pizza by... Oh, I don't want pizza. I want ice cream. Sorry. Yeah, have a good rest of your day. Later.